Welcome to DelftStack. Today, I will show you how to fix blurry wallpaper in Windows 11. First, we will check your screen resolution and scaling settings. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. In the Display Settings, look for Display Resolution and make sure it is set to the recommended value. Also check the scaling option and set it to the recommended percentage, usually 100% or 125%. Next, we will fix the Wallpaper Fit Settings. Open Settings, go to Personalization, then click Background. Under Choose a Fit for your desktop image, select Fill or Fit for high-resolution images. If your wallpaper is small or low quality, use Center to avoid stretching, but it may add borders. Another important step is to always use high-resolution images for your wallpaper. Low-resolution images often become blurry when stretched to fit modern screens. Try downloading wallpapers that match your screen resolution, such as Full HD or 4K. You can also right-click the image file and check its properties to confirm resolution. If the image is too small, Windows will try to stretch it, which causes blur. After adjusting these settings, your wallpaper should look clear and sharp again. If the problem still exists, restart your computer to apply the changes properly. You should also make sure your graphics drivers are up to date for best display quality. Outdated drivers can sometimes cause display issues, including blurry wallpapers. Thank you for watching.